Dear students, welcome to history class. In last session, we have discussed the new religion Jainism. In Jainism, 24 Tirthankaras were there. Rishabhanatha was the first Tirthankara of Jainism. Jainism, founded by Rishabhanatha, or founder of the Jainism is known as Rishabhanatha. Parshvanatha was the 23rd Tirthankara of Jainism, where Mahavira or Vardhamana Mahavira was the 24th Tirthankara of Jainism. Parshvanatha has given 4 principles to Jainism as the base of knowledge. The 4 principles given by Parshvanatha are mainly Satya, Ahimsa, Asteya and Aparigraha. Here, the Mahavira, who lived between 599 BCE to 527 BCE, the Mahavira was the 24th Tirthankara of Jainism. He accepted the teachings of Parshvanatha as the basis of Jainism, like as already I have told you, Satya, Ahimsa, Asteya and Aparigraha. And Mahavira, to this he had added one thing, Brahmacharya. So these 5 points given by Mahavira are known as 5 O's or Panchashila or Panchashila Tattva. These are the teachings of Mahavira. Here Satya means truth, Ahimsa means non-violence, Asteya means not to steal, Aparigraha means non-possession of property more than required. Non-possession of property more than required. These 5 O's or Panchashila Tattva given by Mahavira, and he had given 3 Ratnas. He had given 3 Ratnas, or they are known as Ratnatrayas or 3 jewels. 3 jewels given by Mahavira are known as right knowledge, right faith, right conduct. Right knowledge, Samyak Jnana, Samyak Jnana, Samyak Darshana. Samyak Darshana, Samyak means right, Samyak means right, knowledge means Jnana, and Samyak Darshana and Samyak Charitra or Charitra. Samyak Charitra, these are given by Mahavira, are known as 3 Ratnas or 3 jewels or Ratnatrayas given by Mahavira. Right knowledge means Samyak Jnana, right faith means Samyak Darshana, right conduct means Samyak Charitra or Samyak Charitrya. Mahavira did not believe in the existence of God, but he believes in existence of soul. He believes in existence of soul. He condemned the caste system. He condemned the caste system and sacrificial rituals, where in some part of India, some animal sacrifices were happened regarding some rituals. So he condemned caste system and sacrificial rituals. He laid stress on non-violence and believed that even animals, plants, stones, mud, water, fire to have life. He believes that animals, plants, stones, mud, water, fire, etc. to have life, and he advocated severe asceticism and the extreme penance for the attainment of salvation. He has given penance for the attainment of salvation, extreme penance of the attain of the salvation. This salvation is known as nirvana. This salvation is known as, salvation means moksha. Moksha is known as nirvana. Regarding Jainism, Jain people, they call moksha as nirvana. So Vardhamana Mahavira, as we know, he has breathed his last breath in the age of 72. So he got nirvana at the age of 72. He had 11 disciples known as Ganadharas. The 11 disciples of Mahavira are known as Ganadharas. So, these are the points regarding teachings of Mahavira. Mahavira lived here for 72 years. He was the son of a king, but he left behind everything and goes in a deep meditation for 13 years and attained supreme knowledge and supreme enlightenment. After that, he traveled all about 30 years in all over the country to teach the Jainism. He has given 5 O's and 3 jewels regarding Jainism. He accepted the theories or principles or teachings given by Parshanatha, who was the 23rd Tirthankara of Jainism. In the beginning, when we say spread of Jainism, in the beginning, Jainism was confined to the kingdoms of Kosala, Magadha, Videha and Anga. The Mahavira traveled in Kosala, Magadha, Anga and Videha to teach the principles of Jainism. The patronage of kings Ajatashatru, Bimbisara and Chandragupta Maurya led to the spread of Jainism all over India. These king Ajatashatru, Bimbisara and Chandragupta Maurya led to spread Jainism all over India. During the last years of Chandragupta, a famine broke out in North India. Chandragupta, along with Bhadrabahu, migrated to Shravanabelagola. This Chandragupta Maurya and Bhadrabahu migrated to Shravanabelagola, which was situated in our Karnataka. He settled at Chandragiri Hills. And died by observing Sallekhana. Sallekhana was a vrata in Jainism. It practiced throughout the last breath in Jainism is known as Sallekhana. The Kadambas, the Gangas, the Chalukyas and the Rashtrakutas patronized Jainism. They patronized, they practiced, they followed the path of Jainism. Kadambas, Gangas and Chalukyas and the Rashtrakutas also, they followed the Jainism. Hence, Jainism spread to other parts of India like Karnataka, Gujarat and Rajasthan, etc. etc. The extension of Jainism, it started in Karnataka, in Gujarat and Rajasthan also. When we try to understand the Jain councils, the two councils were organized. The first council was held in Pataliputra in 300 BCE. In 300 BCE, the first council of Jainism, it aimed at collecting